Hello.
Hello.
Welcome everybody. Welcome to Tyndall's Home Shop. I'm Scott.
I'm Tara.
And that's Tara. And we are in the workroom evidently we're trying to get some lights to work. Really?
Okay.
That's getting trying to brighten it up a little bit in here. It's so dark. Alright. Well, hold on a minute. Evidently we're still doing it. Alright.
Okay.
Come on out over here. Thank you. Yes, I'm in my sock feet, but we're not working. We're not, so all the safety trolls, stay away. Anyway, I have a question.
Okay, I would love to stay, but I gotta go.
You have to go?
Yes. Goodbye, people.
Bye. Can I go?
No.
I have to stay?
Yes.
Okay.
Question.
No. My question is this. I am trying to organize this room because it is so small. I'm trying to organize it in such a way that I'm going to put shelves up so that everything that's on the workbenches now will have shelves to sit on and not the workbench to sit on. And that's not to free up the workbench so that I can put more junk on it. No. This is paint, drills, saws, planes, other stuff. My question is, this new ray alarm saw. I'm not going to, let me turn you around here. I am not going to be ripping on this saw. You can rip on a ray alarm saw. I've done it. But, I mean, I might rip something to the length of the table, but you have to be able to stand off to the side of the saw in order to rip on it. And it's just a pain in the butt. I have a small shop. So I thought about something. Two things. I'd like to set up the saw so that it could roll. If you're doing a 10-foot long board and you're needing to put dados in that 10-foot long board, then you're going to you're going to run out of room. So you could roll the saw down on a track. Alright. Only problem with that is that means the entire work surface has to stay clear the whole time. And you have to be able to lock it so that it doesn't move. And the saw will tip over because it sits really far to the front. You have to put the table out over the handle so that stuff can't fall down and break the handle. There's a handle down here. So, okay. My question is, which is probably obvious, do we set it up where we can move the saw down here so that we can have a long board? Or do we set it up, and I'm going to turn you around, face you over here. Now this room is 11'9" from wall to wall. So it's sitting right here. So there is this room right here behind you. So I don't know, let me get you turn around. Excuse me here. Something in the Velcro. Alright. So if we take, you know what? Hang on. I think you can see if I turn you like this. So do we take and put the saw over here on this wall? Then I can take the router table and the drill press. I can put them over here on this short wall. This desk is going to go. Don't need it. And the few things that are in the drawers can go up on cabinets. I can put cabinets up here on the wall to hold things. I want the saw for cutting for wide boards and doing an occasional dado or rabbit on the end, something like that. Alright. Do we put it over here where we can open the door See, we can open the door. Now, mind you, the fence on that saw sits about this far off the wall, about 1.5 feet off the wall. So the doorpost right here would not be in the way. Then we can stick long material out the door when we need to, and then another time that the door stays shut, and we run a fan in the window, and it pulls air under the door and blows it out the window and keeps the dust moving. So should the saw go on this wall, or should the saw go over here to your right? And leave these tools where they are. Now all of this stuff is sitting on the floor. It goes up on racks. It's going to go up on shelves. There's going to be a shelf right above the sign right there. Or maybe even wall cabinets, like the size cabinets that go over the refrigerator, all the way down to where the door swings. Doors, I hate doors. Doors suck up 3 foot out of a room. They suck it up. It's gone. Can't do nothing with it unless you do a pocket door. So saw here or saw here, and why? Okay, it can't stay where it is. That's the assembly workbench. That's the workbench where the vise is and everything. And this bench over here. Alright, so here again, question. Saw here and why? Saw here and why? And also, would you put the saw on top of a bench where it could be moved left or right? Or would you let the saw down in the bench so that the saw was level with the saw table? The workbench was level with the saw table. Okay. First way, sitting on top of the bench, you could put a jack stand. A telescoping roller jack out here to roll long boards in and out of the door. If you put it down on a table, then that means that table is going to come out to about right along in here in the room, which is almost covering the door. By the time you pull it off the wall, where it'll swing and everything. So there you go. That's my question to you. And don't forget, there's t-shirts. These shirts are still in the storefront for sale. I have hoodies with this on it in the storefront for sale. I have some welding shirts in there for sale. Don't forget all those. And don't forget to donate to Tara's 4-H. I'm sending her to summer camp. She'll be going to summer camp the 2 days after the batch ends. Then she leaves for summer camp. So, there you go. That's my question to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with all your friends. And bye.